Hello gorgeous, today is the last day of the challenge of using the Tarte palette, and we are going to make this look today using the blue that's in it. That's called Poolside. Okay, we're going to be using three colors. We're going to be using Poolside, Barefoot, and Hammock. First we're going to start with this one here. We're going to apply it in half of the lid just to use it as a base. Then with an angle brush, we're going to use Poolside, which is the blue. But be careful, because when you use an angle brush and you do it really hard, it's going to make a mess here. So make sure that you just tap it. And this one is not really pigmented. It's not as pigmented as the other ones. So make sure that you really pack in the color. And I'm sorry if I'm looking on the side, it's just that I'm using my camera as the mirror as well. Now, I like to use this, I believe it's a concealer brush. And by the way, I'm using only Eco Tool brushes because that's what I took on my trip. And this is a concealer brush, but I'm going to use that to make this angle here a little sharper. So I'm going to go ahead with Hammock. And I'm going to make a line here a really sharp line, and then I'm going to go ahead on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and blend with a small brush. So far, I really like this palette. This is the only colors that I've used on this trip. However, like I said before, unfortunately, this blue, which is a nice blue still, but it's not as pigmented as I expected. So I kind of have to pack in the color a lot more than I would want to get this blue here. So with the angle brush, I have to go again. And kind of pack it in. I would say that if the blue was a little more pigmented, this palette would be perfect. But as of now, I can't say that because it's not. Okay. So now what this does is that it creates a sharp edge here. And instead of you just making a line with another brush, you make it really, really sharp. And then you can blend. And even after you blend, it will still give you that definition here, which is awesome. Okay, and with the same fluffy brush that we used at the beginning, we're going to use this color here and just add a little shine in the bottom. Make sure that you clean up so everything is blended perfectly. You tap and use the same one for the top. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And for the lips, I use my YSL lipstick, the same one that I have been using this whole week, and the only blush that I have been using is this one. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'm gonna have more coming up soon, and also if you like what you see, please subscribe and don't forget to give like. And also I will be doing a review on the Eco Tools brushes because I have a whole set of them. And stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.